So as promised, I told you I would have a system that would result in a different solution besides an ordered pair for you. So I'm looking at this system. It just says to solve it, so I can pick any way I want to solve it. I have a variable all by itself. I have this y up here. And so because I have that variable all by itself, I'm going to choose substitution. Now you could get the 3x on the other side, and you could solve by elimination. I just think substitution looks a lot easier in this case, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, so I am taking this 3x minus 6 and I'm plugging it in for y. So I have 6x minus 2. And then in parentheses, I have my 3x minus 6. And that equals 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that negative 2. So I have negative 6x plus 12 equals 4. Now I solve this by combining like terms. So I have 6x minus 6x, which completely goes away. And I'm left with 12 equals 4. So now the question is, does 12 equal 4? No, 12 does not equal 4. And so because of that, we know that they are going to be this, they are not going to have a solution. This is going to be no solutions. So what will that look like on a graph? Well, no solutions means there is no intersection. If there's no intersection, it means the lines are parallel.